Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Actually, it's not a vlog. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Atty Canada Vlogs. Actually, मैं आज vlogging नहीं कर रही हूँ और मैंने थोड़ा सा changes करने की कोशिश करी है अपने video format में. Today I would be sharing some information regarding Canada. In general, I keep getting a lot of queries as to, I came across your blog and we are planning to move to Canada, and what should we do before moving to Canada, or Canada में आके कैसे क्या होगा and all. They have a lot of queries. So ऐसे कमेंट्स आते हैं और ऐसे मेल्स भी आते हैं मुझे काफ़ी सारे. So I thought that I would make a video first and foremost of the 10 things that you need to do now, as in pandemic COVID now, before moving to Canada. तो मैंने यहाँ पे एक जर्नल रखा है अपना, and I have made a list of things that need to be followed. The various protocols, because the things are changing dynamically these days here everywhere actually, and Canada is no different. तो पहले मैं बता दूँ, जो लोग मेरे चैनल पे अभी न्यू हैं, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट दैट प्लीज़ गो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल and also press the bell icon on the right hand side of the subscribe button, so that as soon as I upload a new video you get a notification. And I would keep making more lifestyle videos. मेरा format ही था vlogging का, but I thought that I should incorporate something informative as well in the channel. So first and foremost in this is that the government of Canada is urging people not to travel unnecessarily now. Unnecessary travel मतलब vacation के लिए travel actually. तो many people, what they do here is during winters they go out of the country and to some Caribbean islands just to soak up the heat and all. But ऐसा हो रहा है, तो इसीलिए the government has taken some measures wherein it has banned or cancelled all the flights to and fro from Mexico and the other Caribbean islands. And this has to be followed. This would be in place till the 30th of April. और ऐसे काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो कि इम्प्लीमेंट होने वाली है. ये जो रूल है ये ऑलरेडी इम्प्लीमेंट हो चुका है. तो जो भी यहाँ पे है, and you're planning for a vacation, please do not go out of the country. Don't go for vacation and restrict your travel only. We are also at home for the past 3 weeks. हम कहीं नहीं गए हैं, socialize नहीं किया है, कुछ भी नहीं करा है, क्योंकि फाइन भी बहुत हेफ्टी है अगर गवर्नमेंट आपको पकड़ती है ऐसे ही. There is a lot of security personnel, the police is there patrolling. So if you are found breaking the law, you can be fined $880 per person. Also, if you are going out for a party to your friend's place, then if the police catches you, then the owner will have to pay $10,000. So are you willing to do that, risk everything just for socializing and having a good time? Nahi na. So this is one of the major changes. Keep in mind before moving to Canada कि अभी बहुत कुछ चेंज हो चुका है. तो मेरा फर्स्ट पॉइंट ये था कि अननेसेसरी फ्लाइट्स जो कि ट्रैवल जो है वो कर्ब करने के लिए मेक्सिको एंड अदर जो करीबियन आइलैंड्स है उनका टू एंड फ्रो का फ्लाइट जो है इट हैज़ बीन कैंसल्ड till the 30th of April. Also, if you once you come to Canada, at the airport you would have to provide your quarantine plan. 14 days quarantine is mandatory. So और एक और चीज़ हो रही है अभी, when you are coming from abroad, there is not a possibility, it is a mandate now कि आपको कोविड टेस्ट करवाना पड़ेगा. And this COVID test will not be paid by the government. Also, if you do not have a proper plan in place, then you would be lodged in one of the government authorized hotels for 14 days. तो उसका भी खर्चा you will have to bear. सो टोटल मिला मुलू के इट्स लाइक $2,000. सो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड दैट आपके पास बहुत फंड्स हो, अराउंड $3,000 to $4,000 के आपके पास फंड्स हो when you are coming to Canada, because you might have to go through all this. Now if you are COVID negative, then so you can go back, go to your place wherever आप कहाँ पे, अगर आपका घर है खुद का, तो वहाँ जा सकता है, or you can book your own hotel after 3 days. After 3 days of staying in the government authorized hotel, because उतना time तो लगेगा to for your COVID results to come. So you can go and quarantine at your own house, or you can book Airbnb or a hotel, whatever is cheaper. But ये जो quarantine plan है, this has to be implemented as of yet. In a couple of weeks they might implement this. तो $2,000 का जो है उसका आपका you will have to pay for that. Also, the commercial flights are only restricted to 4 airports right now. That is the Montreal Trudeau Airport, Toronto Pearson Airport, the Calgary Airport, and the Vancouver International Airport. बाकी जो भी एयरपोर्ट्स हैं वहाँ पे कोई भी कमर्शियल फ्लाइट्स it's not it will not be working. The flights will not be flying in other airports. So these are the only 4 major airports जहाँ पे आपकी जो flights है वो होंगी. बाकी जो भी international flights हैं, और वो भी बहुत restricted. So all these would be implemented in the coming weeks. और ये जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि कोविड टेस्ट होगा, इट इज़ मैंडेटरी दैट वंस यू लैंड इन कैनेडा यू विल हैव टू गो थ्रू अ कोविड टेस्ट. देयर इज़ नो एस्केपिंग दैट. और जैसे मैंने बताया कि इफ़ यू आर कोविड नेगेटिव देन यू कैन गो टू एनी प्लेस दैट you choose, like Airbnb or your own house or basement apartment or wherever you are putting up. If there is a family who is coming to pick you up, then that person also has to quarantine for 14 days. When I came back from India with my kids, we did quarantine along with my husband for 14 days. Also make sure that you have somebody who can drop food to you, or there are many or everything is available online right now. Even Walmart and all the major grocery stores, there is an option for online delivery available. So make sure that you do that, because you know what, when I was in quarantine for 14 days after coming back from India, I used to get calls from the security authorities. The random people used to call and ask me that what about the groceries, who is doing your grocery, I mean and etc, and how long have you been in quarantine, and every other day they used to call. एक टाइम पे मुझे लगा था कि वो घर पे भी आ जाएंगे पूछने के लिए कि अरे आप क्वारंटाइन कर रहे हो कि नहीं, and what all, just to check if we are following the protocols or not. So it's mandatory, it's very very strict right now. So before coming to Canada you have to keep all these things, the new travel restrictions and everything in mind. And also if you're coming to Canada then you have to quarantine for 14 days, right? International students, please get a letter from your university or college stating that this is the date when my course will start. This will show that when you come into Canada, and when you are immigrating, like when you are in the immigration queue, then the security officer will ask you whether your travel is necessary or not. So you need a letter from your school or your college, university, stating that that yes, I'm a student, I have come here for my studies and my semester is going to start from here, from this date. Also, you should have a solid quarantine plan. Your accommodation should be sorted. Your grocery for 2 weeks should be sorted. These are the 2 very important things which they stress upon, and they keep giving calls every other day to check who is doing what. They'll ask you random questions as to who is doing your grocery, etc. So please have a solid quarantine plan in your mind, so that when you come to Canada and when you are in the immigration queue, immigration जब आपकी हो रही है airport पे, तो you can tell the authorities that this is my quarantine plan and this is why my travel is necessary, was necessary. This is the reason I came. Visa and everything should be in place, your student visa. Obviously, if you are found COVID positive, then you would have to complete your quarantine in the government approved hotel accommodation, and the cost would have to be borne by you. एक और बात है जो कि बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इज़ दैट प्लीज़ गेट अ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस फ्रॉम इंडिया और फ्रॉम वेर एवर यू आर ट्रैवलिंग. इंटरनेशनल हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. कुछ भी हो, बिकॉज आते ही साथ, इवन इफ यू आर अ COPR और यू नो, और यू आर डूइंग अ सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग, you will not be getting your PR card or your health card immediately. You will be getting a PR card, but you will not be getting your health card immediately. So it takes around 90 days to get your health card. So please get a health insurance for yourself. So मेरे दिमाग में तो इतने ही पॉइंट्स आए हैं अभी, for the new travel restrictions that have been imposed by the government of Canada. और भी चीज़ें हैं, you should know that once you come here, you would have to quarantine. Also, you cannot socialize because there are certain restrictions. This virus is mutating and all, and there are people who can be asymptomatic carriers of this virus. So the government has put very strict regulations in place, like no socializing, then no gatherings, etc. And most of the malls, they are closed. Malls are not, I think malls are not deemed necessities. Everything is available online. People are going for online shopping these days in Canada, and obviously everywhere else. Malls band hai, only the essentials are open, like the grocery stores and the pharmacies, etc. So keep in mind all these things. You should keep in mind before moving to Canada now during the pandemic. और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिसके बारे में मैं एक अलग वीडियो में बताऊंगी कि that would be a generic 10 things to know before you come to Canada. So I hope that आपको मेरा ये आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, and I hope that I was able to impart the information that you all are looking for right now if you are planning to travel to Canada. एक और चीज़ तो मैं बोलना भूल ही गई. इफ़ यू आर ऑन वर्क परमिट, ओपन वर्क परमिट वालों को भी अभी दे आर अलाउइंग देम टू कम. If you are on work permit, please make sure that you get a letter from your employer that you are joining on this date and your travel is necessary, so that you don't have to explain it to the authorities, कि ऐसा है, ये है, वो है. There should be no doubt. It might circumstances ऐसे भी हुए हैं जहाँ पे people have been asked, go back. So आज का वीडियो मैं यहीं पे ख़त्म करती हूँ. 13 मिनट हो गए हैं बातें करते करते आप लोगों से. So I hope that you liked this informative video of mine. If you have any doubts or anything else regarding Canada, please write in the comment box. Comment section में आप लिख सकते हो, and in my next video I'll address all those concerns. मैं आने वाले मेरे जो वीडियोस होंगे, मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कि कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग यहाँ पे कैसा है. कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग फॉर अ कपल अलग वीडियो बनेगा, एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग फॉर अ फैमिली ऑफ 4. वी आर अ फैमिली ऑफ 4. सो मैं आपको एक अच्छे से एक ब्रेकअप करके बताने वाली हूँ कि किस किस चीज़ों में खर्चा होता है यहाँ पे और कितना खर्चा होता है, एंड मिनिमम वेज क्या है, एंड इफ़ इज़ मिनिमम वेज इनफ फॉर यू टू. एक व्यूअर ने मुझे पूछा था कि इफ़ वी स्टार्ट वर्किंग इन अ कैफ़े इज़ इट इनफ एंड ऑल. सो दीज आर द वीडियोज़ विच आई हैव इन माइंड that I'll make in the coming days. Hope you enjoyed and liked my video. Please press the like button and share this information with whoever is planning to come to Canada. For more lifestyle videos, please subscribe to my channel Ati Canada Vlogs. And hope आप सब खुश हैं, स्वस्थ हैं, enjoy कर रहे हैं. I'm signing off right now and see you very soon. Bye.